This might possibly be one of Nio's largest growth catalysts in a while. Recently, it was announced that Nio's new plan to start production in third quarter of next year. Nio's second factory, located in Hefei-based NeoPark, will start vehicle production in the third quarter of next year. William Bin Li, founder, chairman and CEO of Nio, revealed at an industry conference. The construction of the new factory has already started. This means that Nio is able to ramp up its production of its electric vehicles in next year. And this is important for Nio because as a company that produces electric vehicles, one of the metrics that analysts take a look at are vehicle deliveries. And with the construction of Nio's new factory next year, Nio is expected to ramp up its production capacity and deliver even more vehicles. And that's great news for Nio. Let's take a look at some other details for Nio's new factory. So this new factory will be constructed in NeoPark, a smart electric vehicle industry park at Xingqiao, Hefei, Anhui province. And NeoPark aims to become a hub for hundreds of key supporting enterprises and highly clustered, full-fledged industry chain. Therefore, automotive parts like battery packages can be supplied by other enterprises within the park, reducing the cost of logistics. In February 2021, Nio announced that it entered into a further collaboration framework agreement with the municipal government of Hefei, Anhui province, where Nio China's headquarters is located. Under the framework, the two would jointly build a world-class smart electric vehicle industrial campus. And according to William Li, Hefei promised to use the proceeds obtained from its investment in Nio stake to support the NeoPark and build a world-class smart electric vehicle industry cluster. So Nio's new manufacturing factory will be located in NeoPark. So as we have taken a look earlier on, NeoPark will be an industrial campus, and it will comprise of these three main things. The first is smart manufacturing. So NeoPark will not only include factories that produces Nio vehicles, but it will also have factories producing other electric vehicle components, such as electric vehicle batteries. The second component is R&D. So NeoPark will also include facilities dedicated to R&D, specifically R&D on EVs. And the third component is living area for those employees employed over there. So these are the three main components that make up NeoPark. So think of NeoPark as China's answer to Silicon Valley, but for electric vehicles. NeoPark will be built across 16,950 acres of land. And to give you some context, that is 12 times the size of Tesla's Fremount plant. So NeoPark is going to be really huge. While NeoPark is more like an industrial complex or industrial campus for electric vehicles, and not a dedicated facility for Nio, Nio is still able to benefit a lot from this NeoPark. And these are some of NeoPark's benefits for Nio. The first is annual gross output, and the second is cost reduction. The annual gross output for NeoPark will be around 1 million EVs. You heard that right. NeoPark is expected to produce 1 million electric vehicles per year. While not all of these electric vehicles produced will be Nio vehicles, Nio's manufacturing and production capacity is expected to ramp up substantially with the opening of NeoPark. On top of that, the annual gross output for NeoPark will be around 500 renminbi, and that will translate to around 80 billion US dollars. So again, while these numbers are the total output for NeoPark and not for Nio specifically, Nio still stand to benefit a lot from NeoPark. The second one is cost reduction. When NeoPark is up and running, William Li, the CEO of Nio, believed that it will allow Nio to save anywhere between 3,000 to 4,000 renminbi just in logistic costs alone versus BMW, Audi and Mercedes. That would translate to around 500 US dollars in terms of savings. And that will be just in logistic costs alone. And the reason why Nio is able to reduce costs by this amount is because of NeoPark. NeoPark will be like an industrial campus. It will bring a lot of suppliers in this campus, which will save Nio a lot in terms of its transportation of supplies. So the construction of this NeoPark will not only allow Nio to ramp up its production capacity and increase its revenue, but it will also allow Nio to reduce its logistical costs. And these are just the tangible benefits. We haven't even talked about the intangible benefits from the construction of this NeoPark. With the completion of the campus, NeoPark is able to accommodate over 10,000 R&D personnel and 40,000 technical workers. And this concentration of highly skilled workers is likely to foster even greater innovation and technological advancements. So what are your thoughts on NeoPark? Let me know down in the comments below. If you have enjoyed and learned something from this video, smash the like button because it will really help the channel grow and allow me to produce more content such as this. And if you are new to this channel and haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you'll get more videos such as this on Nio in the future. I'll see you in those other videos. To your financial success.